California has become the first state in the nation to require solar power systems on all new construction homes. But what exactly does this law entail? Well, here's what you need to know about it. This mandate is part of the California Energy Commission's initiative for the state to become 50% reliant on clean energy sources by the year 2030. The mandate establishes a new building code that requires newly constructed homes to implement solar panels to generate 100% of the home's electricity. The mandate went into effect on January 1st, 2020, which means for any building permits filed on or after this date, the dwelling will be required to have a photovoltaic system. For building permits granted in 2019 for homes being built in 2020, these dwellings are not required to comply with the mandate, so keep that in mind. Both single-family and multifamily homes up to 3 stories high must comply with the new building code requirements. For the time being, dwellings over 3 stories and high-rise buildings will actually remain exempt from this mandate. The solar panels are required to offset 100% of the dwelling's electricity usage. That being said, homes can still use energy from other sources like gas to power devices such as gas stoves, fireplaces, and even central heat. The solar power system must be sized to generate 100% of the home's electricity though. Additionally, if the homeowner makes other energy efficiency improvements, the size of the solar array may be reduced in the process. While the mandate may increase new construction costs by about $9,500, it is estimated that the homes outfitted with solar panels will use about 53% less energy than recent standards. This means the homeowner may save about $20,000 over the life of the system, making up for those additional costs. If you're building a new home or managing a residential construction project, connect with West Coast Solar to explore your solar options today. Be sure to tune in next time as we continue to explore California's solar mandate.